Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at the group directory and how you can find out what meetings are on and how you can ask to attend one of those meetings. So if you click on group directory, all the groups are listed and you can pick a group you might want to attend. So I'm going to go for Derbyshire. You can find out a little bit about the group. I think going forward we'll look for groups to complete this, and if groups want to set up their own social profiles, that would be possible. You can see the members of the group as well, so you can see what sort of businesses are already in there. It has the meeting dates there on the left. So if you're attending and you want to see the agenda, you would need to come into here and click on it, and it will show you the agenda for that meeting. If you want to attend a meeting, you just simple as just clicking attend, and that causes an electronic request to go to Screen Pop, and if you're not locked out, they will approve that request for you. You can keep track of them by under my meeting requests. It says pending at the moment, so that will either change to approved or not granted. If it's approved, then on the day of the meeting you just go in. I've already shown you up in group directory how you can access the agenda if you wish to attend.